Downtown and West Ocean City residents are in luck. A new movie theater is slated to open up here at the White Marlin Mall. The White Marlin Mall is adding yet another staple to attract more visitors. A new movie theater will replace the Michael's Arts and Crafts store, which will close at the end of June.
We drive up to Sun and Surf all the way uptown or go into Salisbury, but so yeah, a bit of a hike either way.
Currently, only 2 movie theaters serve Ocean City, and both are located on the northern end of town. Sun and Surf Theaters near 143rd Street.
I normally come here, bring my kids, because it's closer, it's convenient. Well, the service is amazing. It's always clean.
And Fox Theaters at the Gold Coast Mall, which is currently closed for renovations.
The seats are hard, it smells like garbage all the time, but yeah, the secret's out. It's not a good thing, but here it's cleaner, the recliners are a lot better, and it's very fresh. Pine Sol.
For some moviegoers, having the choice between West and North Ocean City theaters will cut their travel time in half.
I would say it's definitely harder to get uptown than just because of the 90 bridge. It's a lot of traffic to get that way, and then this way it's a lot easier to get out of town.
It's near Route 50, and I live near there, so it'll be like probably 5 minutes away. Hopefully it'll be a nice, pleasant experience at the movies.
And this won't be the first movie theater at the White Marlin. A Fox theater was once here before it turned into a Michael's. Now, the Michael's store will be relocating to its new location on Route 50 near the Walmart next month and will be open by June 30th. In West Ocean City, Nicole Lee Denado for WRDE Delmarva Zone, NBC Station.